Let's go, let's go. How we doing? Hey, it's Taz, East, West, North, and South. We've got a lot of stuff, just a lot of stuff, way too much stuff. Anyway, download the Robinhood app. It's an investment app platform. Getting started is easy. You can buy and sell ETF and stock, commission free. Find a company you love. You can invest in it as low as $1. Uninvested cash in your account, no worries. They got competitive interest rate. And download the app because the first stock is for free when you download Robinhood. Let's go, baby. Remember now, download the app. And I'm going to put the link down below. East, West, North, and South. Everyone out there. Yo, let's go, let's go. Anyway, I got a lot of stuff. Anyway, let's go. So Sundial. So that's a cannabis. And maybe this is not going to be for everyone. I'm not saying buy, sell, or trade anything, but this is a pre-warm up, Anyway, I'm not saying buy, sell, trade, or anything. Basically, I'm just saying like Sundial last year, this time, it was, I remember, it was as low as 58 cents. 58 cents. Earlier this year, about March, April, it was 58 cents, 68 cents, back and forth. Now Sundial is up $2.79. So sometimes these are the ones that you want to get into. And when you find these real early, this is how sometimes your investment starts. Because we got in it at when it was 58 cents, 56 cents, and I know a friend I work with, and he worked in a bar, and he's like, I'm buying some, we all bought some, and it's just this reminds me of Amazon, when I used to go to Amazon bookstore, and now to see what Amazon is actually. So cannabis, it's gonna be a part of the future possible. I don't know. I'm not saying buy, sell, doing trading or anything like that. Analysts saying to buy right now. 4 analysts are saying buy Sundial, but you do your own research, and you can get the facts about that. You know what I mean? So, and that's where we're moving anyway. It's we're gonna talk about all the possibilities and stuff, but you have counties already working on developing medicines and different use for it. So you got Tilray, also cannabis, also up. And so those are also where we're going, and that's where it's moving towards, whether you think it or not, or believe it or not. That's where these are going to be our next research. We've done a lot of stuff with different herbs here and there, so maybe this is going to be on the table on the chopping block. This is going to be, cannabis is going to possibly be the next. See what we can implement, what we can cure, what we can break this down to, how we can use this for our children, or our, not necessarily our children, but for our health and stuff. I don't know. I'm not saying buy, sell, or trade anything. Some people will like this, some people will not like it. I'm just putting it out there that, cannabis probably, it's a topic that's going to be controversial all the time. Anyway, Tilray Brands also selling for $3.90. This company right now, they're saying hold on it, but they're expecting for it to go up to $5.14. Sorry, but again, this also was selling for $1.50 back in March, April, and also. So those are just two cannabis Taltre brand, Sunderland, Sundal, you can look into, see, what you think about it over the weekend. And next thing I want to bring to your attention is Tesla. Tesla is selling right now for $238.13. It's down pretty much yesterday. But what I want to tell you about Tesla is it's not a dividend stock, but now what you're going to see and what's going to be really interesting is, so now the EV trend is starting. Now the EV, it's on the go. Right now I don't know why or how it's a go, but it seems like it's a go to me. And you're gonna have Volvo, you're gonna have a lot of these different company, Hyundai, a lot of these different companies, you're gonna see them now. Everyone's gonna push out because it's kind of like the race is gonna start pretty soon. I don't know. Anyway, so what some of my thoughts are about the whole thing is, like, I think a lot of these companies could have gone EV before. I'm not calling out no names. I'm just saying possible. But then with the contract signed with other companies to get possible fuel, I don't know. It puts you in a bind to split your production, one for EV and keep the oil going. So I think possible our companies, could have gone EV before now, but it's a possibility that they had contracts that they have to upheld to their hands, and so they couldn't just start making EV because it would have split the road where, okay, we're trying to go EV here. How's the customer going to take onto it? And we got to maintain our contract with the oil company for, gas fuel cars. So in the transition, anyway, that's just putting that out there. I don't know. I'm not saying buy, sell, or trade anything. I'm just putting that out there that there's a possibility that we could have gone EV before. Now I think the race is gonna be interesting. I'm not saying it's a race. I'm not saying, I'm just putting it out there. But what also is gonna be interesting too, once this starts, is then, so we're gonna automatically see different stocks going up, such as Volta, ChargePoint. We're also going to see Lucid in the race. But, I'm not saying buy, sell, or trade anything. But as this starts, it's in process. So, things are going to shift a little bit, so we're going to have to get used to the shift, so just keep your eyes open. East, west, north, and south, home run, let's go. We got more. So now I'm gonna bounce a little bit and then I'm gonna zero back in, But they invented a Narcan vending machine, and it sold out, a Narcan vending machine. So that was pretty interesting to me, like, wow, that's to help with struggling people on the other side. Because yes, we have the business side, but we have to look on the other side, because some of the retailers in their struggling ways or what, they're the ones out there who kind of push the economy in certain direction, not just only the middle class and the rich, or the rich and the middle class. We have the other side too, that also out there landscaping, out there driving, out there cleaning the school, the floors. We got right now mom out there going to drop the kids off, and she's heading to do domestic work, cleaning some cabins or some stuff. But I don't know. I just want to say, like, somebody created that. That's an idea. They said in Arcane sold out. It's a matter of helping people, you know. Now we're gonna touch in Florida. Florida, you know, we keep pushing, keep going forward, keep it, you know, and for everybody down there helping out in Florida, you know, keep doing your thing. They say we've got like 130 deaths or somewhere there, and 140 without light food or something like that. Check into that. Oil is possible gonna go up. I don't know. You know, you have to check into that. It's getting colder. You know, we're gonna need grandma and grandpa to stay warm. So we gotta figure out something how I can keep them warm. Anyway, EV. So we're gonna have to figure out what the battery situation is. But with Tesla, I wanted to say, like, Tesla was up $1,000 or $800 in what, May or maybe April, somewhere there. You know, I remember looking at it. Netflix was up to $500-$600. So, you know, some of these stocks are coming down. And like I said, investment starts within you. When are you going to get in? When are you going to buy? Look at, I mentioned H&R Block yesterday. It's down to like $39. We know we're going to have to do our taxes. So we know the more people start buying stuff, the more, you know, we're going to push the price up. So I don't know. I'm not saying buy, sell, or trade anything. None of that stuff. But just wanted to put that out there. And if you're trying to figure out too where some of the, you know, the batteries are coming from for these cars, you know, Tesla's got two manufacturers that, you know, they divvy their jobs out to. Did you know Panasonic was one? Yep, Panasonic is one that also manufacture batteries for Tesla. Also, CATL, and I think those companies somewhere in Beijing somewhere. But anyway, just wanted to put that out there. Yo, my name is Taz. Hey, be safe on the road, east, west, north, and south. You know, we're gonna have a good Thanksgiving, and it's gonna be crazy this Halloween. I don't know. You have a good day.